So we had issue with this spacing. So let's quickly fix that spacing. Come to the home screen and then add a spacer outside the item. So use spacer. Let's run the application again. So let's add more tags. So now there's a space between them. Next thing we can take care of is the input field. Let's clear this style and then style it well. So you come to the add screen and then come to the input field. The input field has a property called colors. So you use TextField default, then you choose colors. Now inside the colors, change when it's on focus indicator. So this guy, we want to set it to color transparent. So that has taken care of. So there are other colors you can apply, but for now it's okay. Another thing you can also do is the shape. So you can change the shape of and pass material shapes medium. So that's taking care of the edges and everything. So that's cool. When you put your mouse over, you can see a lot of properties for the text field. So we are going to use this one called leading icon. So we have leading icon and then trailing icon. So the leading is the one in front and then the trailing the one at the back. So let's just use the leading icon. Okay, so whatever icon, you just pass it inside. You import. So let's add some icon just for shaggy reason. So this guy, and then let's save that guy. And then so the icon is showing here. So when you use the trailing icon, you see it will appear on the other side. So the option is yours, whatever you want to use it for. It has something for placeholder. So let me comment this. And then the placeholder tells you what the actual thing will be like. So coding task. So you can have a label and then a placeholder. So the placeholder gives you example of the value you need to pass through, and then the label tells you what to do. Let's run it. Okay, so our input is now looking okay. Let's add a task: coding, fishing, singing. Right, so we have these few tasks, but we've not taken care of the empty. So in the next one, we'll take care of that. Like and subscribe to the channel.